Hey beauties, welcome to Beyond Body. Today we're going to talk about the gel phase of soap making. So we've been having some trial and error as far as our soap. This is one of our first batches. This is made out of olive oil, and it's a soft soap, and it's called Castile soap. We were struggling with figuring out the formulation, so I ended up trying out a different one. What the gel phase does basically is that once we emulsify, which basically means to add the lye water to the oil mixture, emulsify, and then you blend them with a stick blender, and once you emulsify them together, then it starts to set up for soap. And then in the style of soaping that we're doing is called cold process soap making. And so yesterday or the day before, this is our new loaf of soap that we've made. It started to crack a little bit, and I didn't know why or what was going on. I was able to salvage the cracked soap, and as you can see, it's no longer cracked. One thing that happens, some soap makers like the gel phase, and some soap makers don't like the gel phase. What it does is that it can create more vibrant products, but you also run the risk of ruining your soap, because the soap, once it starts to become in the gel phase of soap making, it can the temperature of the soap can escalate to almost 180 degrees. I was able to salvage this soap, so it wasn't going to be in a gel phase. This is basically this is going to be like our plain soap that we're making that doesn't have any dye or any fragrance in it, and I'm excited to present it to you.